Assalamu alaikum, Al-Ihraaz Online Academy, an international online Holy Quran and Arabic language academy. We provide teaching services through Google Meet and WhatsApp all over the world. We have students in UK, Canada, Nigeria, and India, 24 hours power backup, high-speed internet, time and day at your own choice, separate and personal class for every student, highly qualified professional male and female English-speaking teachers, free trial class available, no age limit, get certification upon completion of your course. We offer the following courses: Qaida course, Tajweed course, Quran recitation and memorization course, Arabic language course, Al-Ihraaz Online Academy, email address, alirazonlineacademy@gmail.com, WhatsApp and mobile number, +2349157777331, +2349064241521. Kindly give us a trial and you won't regret it. Ultimately, Allah is the bestower of knowledge.